Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today vlog is little different because instead of just showing you the shoot, I want to talk about what actually happens behind the scenes. People often see the final video, the perfect lighting, flawless makeup, smooth shots, but behind that there's a lot of chaos, coordination and calmness you have to hold on to. So let's start from the morning of the shoot. Our call time was 10 a.m. and if you know me, you know I am always reached before the time. That day I was already at the studio ramp half an hour early because when you are arranging, managing a shoot, being early is not an option, it is necessary. I had to check the setups, make sure everything was in place, arrangement, products, light, brushes, mirror setup, all of it. And honestly, the pressure started building from that moment. You can't show it, but you can feel it. Anyways, I was there setting things up, and one of the male models arrived early too. So while waiting for the rest of the team, I started prepping him. By the time he was ready, the female models started coming in one by one. There were four models in that day. One by one, I got them all ready, makeup, touch-ups, look, and in between, I was managing everything else. People think, oh, it's just makeup, it must be fun. Yes, it is fun, but it is also a hard work. So it sounds easy when you talk about it later, but in the moment it's all about balance, handling time, people, emotions and your own energy. Because when you are on set, you lose track of time. Hours feel like minutes and before you know it, the day is almost over. But here's the tricky part. Sometimes even after giving your 100%, there are people who will still say, oh, you didn't really do much. Or they will hand you more tasks as if you are being chilling all day. You know what I mean? That was get frustrating. But that's when I remind myself stay calm, stay graceful, because reacting only drains your energy. When you respond with love and calmness, you protect your peace. Even if the other person doesn't understand your efforts, it's okay. You don't work for validation. You work because you love what you do. And honestly, that moment I have learned over the year in this industry. A shoot day isn't just about one day of work. It's the result of so many days of planning, coordination, and efforts. There is a full team working behind the scenes, stylists, photographers, models, assistants, editors, and each of them plays a big role. People see the glam, but they don't see the sweat, the stress, or the silent prayers in between. Every perfect shot has a story behind it. Sometimes of chaos, sometimes of teamwork, and sometimes of patience. And yes, even when everything seems perfect, there will always be tests. What I call the devil attacks. They come right when you are doing something great, maybe in the form of negativity, unexpected issues, or being testing your limits. But in those moments, awareness is everything. You have to protect your energy like it's scared because it is. And if a situation starts to feel negative or draining, you have two options. Either step away or stay calm and decide how you want to respond because your reaction is always your responsibility. I always remind myself, not everyone will understand your efforts, but that doesn't mean you stop giving your best. When you work with pure intention, the universe notices, even if people don't. So yes, overall the shoot went really well. Everything was managed beautifully, the models looked stunning, and the vibes were mostly positive. Now I am waiting to see the final results for after editing because that's when the magic really comes alive. But this day taught me something once again. That being professional doesn't just mean showing up on time, it means showing up with the right energy. So to everyone watching this who's part of this creative field, remember this, your calmness is your superpower, your energy is your protection, and your passion that's your biggest strength. It's not easy, but when you look back and realize how much you handled, you will feel proud, not just for what you achieved, but for who you become in the process. And that's what makes it all worth it. Alright guys, that was the today's vlog, a little glimpse of what really happens behind the camera. If you ever worked in shoots, you will totally relate to this, and if not, I hope this gives you a new appreciation for all the effort that goes behind a few minutes of perfect content. Don't forget to protect your peace, stay grounded and keep creating. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay confident, stay kind and stay growing. Thank you so much.